So, hello everyone and welcome at Optionlogy demo. So today I will just showcase you the products and features at our platform that will help you for trade, that will help you for tracking, and features that will help you for adjustment. So that is what we build upon, that is trade, track and adjust. So let me start with the dashboard. So first of all, there are two ways you can start your trading journey. You can either link a broker, that is a partnered brokers. You can link multiple IDs of a single broker or different IDs of different brokers in a single Optionlogy ID. Or you can do a paper trade. Also, there is no concept of virtual money, so you don't have to worry about running out of that or paying for that also. So let's start with the demo. Here we have tools divided based on your trading journey, that is your strategy building and execution, some tools and charts for your market analysis, and a trade management, something that we are really proud of. So let's say you start with the market analysis with OI analytics. You have your OI open interest change, which is based on live market. You can select a date range or a percentage change view as well. You have a end of the day data as well as a PCR meter. So all this is based on live market data, that and the PCR meter is just a very simple and easy visualization of current market scenario. You can gather your market view from here and you can start your trading. So let me move towards another analysis tool, that is IVP heat maps. So this is a very simple representation of your volatility in the market. You can choose a stock based on its implied volatility. So just for reference, this shows that Adani Port was 83% more volatile than its previous volatilities. Or in a very simple format, and for let's say for the past 100 days it has been in the market, it has been more volatile than the 83 days it has been performing. So a very simple analysis for easy stock selection, and after that we can move towards a strategy building. So this is where you can place your trades, paper trade or real trade, and this is all based on tick by tick live market data. So two ways again: option chain. You have all the long option chain. You can build your customized strategies for futures, equity, and let me just show you for equity as well. Let's say I choose Dr. Reddy. You have equity, futures, and options. You can combine equity, futures, and options as in a single strategy as well. And if you want to do a single swing trading, you can even do that with equities, futures, or options separately. Let's say buy an equity. I have charts here. I can do swing trading. I can do swing trading for an option as well, single option. Let me search for Nifty. I can, let's choose an ATM call, and I can do a price action swing trading for this also. I'll select a candlestick chart, 5 minutes time frame, and this is my premiums chart. This is Nifty. I'll hide it. This will show me the premium towards right axis, and towards the left axis I have my Nifty prices, and this is the time frame. I can apply indicators on my strategy as well, something unique you can do here. Another way to trade is library. You have pre-made strategies. Select, choose your market view. Let's say I saw a neutral market view on PCM meter. I click on a strategy that I want to apply. Let's say an short strategy. I can click on it, and then I can gain an overall overview of my strategy. I would have stats this side, the amount I would be required to put in this strategy, the premium I'll receive, the risk reward ratio. This side I have my Greeks. Greeks are very might be difficult to interpret for you, but a simpler interpretation would be in rupees term. So now I know what would be my theta V. So this means if the market remains same, the premiums will break down to 1300 and I can gain that amount tomorrow. Similarly, you have your strategy share. You can share your strategy with your friends, your teachers, and they can just do a copy trading like that using this link. Now, you have the strategy charts as well for your customized as well as pre-made strategies. So no limitation in that. Make your own strategy. You have chart for that. Trade based on those charts. Again, you can differentiate between line and a candlestick chart and put indicators in that as well. Now, this is how you this is what your strategy builders look like. Very simple, single window for all your trading and execution. You don't have to hover between a trading view chart then to a broker page, and if you have multiple IDs, then you have to switch between different brokers and make trades. Here you can just, when the market is live, you can select the broker you want to use and trade easily with different brokers and different IDs at the same time. It's a very simple execution. Or else I'll just put a paper trade, and I have put a paper trade here, and the order is executed. As simple as that. Orders in position. Now you can see a short straddle here in a paper. So I'll just come to this after a while, but this is how simply you can easily create a strategy and execute it through paper trade or multiple brokers. Now is what is special. Something that we as a company are really proud of is our orders and position. So let me just dive into it. So we have a tab for real orders and paper trading. So in a paper trade, consider Optionlogy as a broker. You will get the exact broker like experience in paper trade. So the all the data would be live market data, no delay in that. Brokerage charges would be applied, so everything would be a real market experience for you. Now you can notice that here there is strategy wise tracking. I think everyone must have heard that. Even when you go to your institutes, you must have always heard that maintain a trading journal. Maintaining a trading journal means that you note down your all your trade strategy wise, make some notes about it, why you made it, what was your view, so that there will be a very easy analysis. Now you don't really have to do that on a pen paper. All is done by Optionlogy in your order book. All your trades are executed strategy wise. So very recently I made a short straddle. I can just open it and you can see 29th August 4 p.m. Here we have the short straddle and the legs under it. So what usually happens is that, let's say you place the same order on a third party app or at broker's end on a broker's order book. How that would look like is something similar to this. Here you have your all the positions in your broker's order book and consolidated quantities. Now let's say when I reach towards the end of the day and I want to analyze what is happening with my trades, I see that here I have 18,500 call, the net quantity is 100. Now I really don't know that whether this quantity belongs to a single strategy that I executed, or is it break into two different strategies, a 50-50 quantity. Now when this confusion arises, you cannot analyze properly. But in when you do it at Optionlogy, your order gets divided into strategy wise, and now you have easy visuals, easy analysis of your different calls as are going divided into strategy wise, butterflies, ball call spread, and you can easily analyze the profit and loss of your strategy. Another thing that more when a person trading strategy is that they face a situation when they are booking a strategy, and when they book a second strategy, they sometimes get an opposing position of one of the legs. So very simple view is that, let's say I made a butterfly and here it is showing me an 18600 call option that is being bought. But in another strategy, the same leg is being sold. Now, this order, when you see it on broker's end, you will see that your 18600 call buy and sell are automatically cancelled with each other. So now you don't really know that I really made an 18600 call, what will be its profit loss. So you cannot make an analysis of your strategy again. Here, your leg is recorded, although the order is placed through broker. So at broker's end, your legs would be cancelled. But here your legs would be recorded just to show your profit and loss. What would happen if this leg was there? So what you would gain in one leg, you would lose in another leg automatically. So here you can easily analyze what your strategy is doing, and you can make smart decisions based on your analysis. When you cannot do any analysis, you cannot make smart decisions. And that is what institutes have been preaching about, maintaining a trading journal for a smart trading decision. And that is what we do at Optionlogy. Now, another aspect of order management is that we don't leave you just by tracking it. We allow you to make that smart decision. So let's say I made an open straddle here. I can repair it anytime. And my open positions, let's say even a position that I have made before, I can repair it. And let's say I choose a different strategy itself. I made it at yesterday and I can repair it today. I so I can just click on analyze and repair. You see I've already repaired this and I can even change it further. So I click on analyze and repair. So this is my iron condor. Now let's say you feel that market is now more bullish and it is coming close to your break evens. Now this might be a cause of worry to you, and you might just want to be on a safer side and increase your break evens. What you'll do manually is that you will change your strikes and analyze what is happening at different strikes. Your stats will be shown here, and you'll do a simple analysis based on your decision making skills and make a right decision. But now we have made that even simpler. And this is where another star feature comes in, strategy control. It works in an algorithmic way, and it moves your graph left and right and adjusts your strikes accordingly. So let's say I want to increase my right break evens. I can click on right. You can see my graph moves right. And now I have a more comfortable space to maneuver with. If the market goes more bullish, I have more safe space there, a higher break even. And it shows me that for that I have to trade in these strikes, and I can just click on trade, and it is showing me what all orders it would put. It will change these orders and I can execute it, and it's done. Now let me go to my iron condor. It has been just updated now. My previous PNL has been realized, and you can see these are my new legs. Even within the repair, you can even change a single leg. It is not necessary for you to change your entire strategy. Even if you want to add a leg, delete a leg, or let's say just want to change this strike, you want to even increase your let's say change it to 19100. I can even do that, paper traded, and it's done. Within the same strategy, you can now notice my 250 leg is closed, my 100 leg is placed, and this is all happening within the same strategy now that you have noticed. So what would happen is that when you do try to do this at broker's end, let me show you how your broker's order book would look like. All your trades would be combined one under the another, and you just cannot recognize what leg belongs to which strategy and how much quantity, etc. and etc. That is not a problem at Optionlogy. All your trades under single strategy. Another thing is that when your repair function is something that we exclusively offer. So while doing even if you try to do a single leg change, you don't have to cut your other three legs. So you save on brokerage on these three legs as well. So that means 120 rupees of brokerage saved in terms of single repair, and even your premiums would continue at previous price for the previous three legs. So that means you're saving on brokerage, you're saving on premiums, and based on your decision making skills, you can even maximize your profits and minimize your losses. So that is what Optionlogy allows you to do, gives you the best tools to do that, so that there's no problem for you. So this has been my short demo for all the people. You, even if you don't know what is how a strategy looks like, you have a market view, you can just use a strategy finder. Very intuitive, very easy to use. Just any market view you have. Only three views you can have: greater than, less than, in between. Choose your market view, select a risk reward ratio if you want to, and if you don't want to, just unclick it and go. It easily shows you strategy, the one you like. Let's say the one with a good risk reward ratio, let's say broken wing butterfly. Analyze it. Like, if you like the stats, trade it, and it will be done. So that is what Optionlogy is: trade, track, and adjust. And I hope I'm able to solve your problems in current market, and I hope to see you onboarded. So thank you all.